When it comes to creating the ultimate home away from home, we've made sure our motorhomes have all the luxury conveniences, like our switch mode bathroom. You'll find this bathroom module across our Torino, Akuna, Jabiru and Trakkaway fleet. Patented and unique to TRAKKA, the switch mode bathroom is a cleverly executed spacious cubicle that offers a sizable showering room. The idea behind this space is to leave the toilet out and accessible in position within the bathroom. With the toilet in functional position, there's plenty of standing height and legroom when seated. Come time for showering, brushing teeth and changing, the toilet is operated electrically by a switch, simply sliding in and out from under the basin. Like all TRAKKA electrically operating features such as our awnings and grey water dump valve, there's a simple manual override if ever needed. When the toilet is stowed and the ducted diesel room heating is activated, this space becomes more comfortable after showering in cooler months and can also double as a drying room. Just another feature that will ensure your next TRAKKA adventure is as comfortable as possible.